Good day, everyone. My name is Taiwo Temitope. Um, I'm a templates guider in MMM Nigeria. I indicated interest to provide help of 250,000 naira on 10th of July 2016. Although I'm yet to be matched, but of course, I know I will definitely be matched. Now, it gives me great pleasure to be able to provide help to someone. It's a thing of joy, and I have a good feeling because I believe I'm actually helping someone out, and by so doing, of course, I also get rewarded. So it is really a beautiful thing. It's a great opportunity to be able to do something like this. I want to use this medium to encourage people, fellow participants, donate as much as you have, as much as you spend money as you can spend. Donate it to people and help someone, and in turn, you get help as well. Okay, it's a great opportunity to be able to do this, and I intend to do this over and over again. Okay, I just want to show you the order. It's been there, still waiting to be processed, but I know someone will definitely be matched. Alright, thank you very much. Together we shall change the world. Thank you.